Hello and welcome to Alkyd Binders Tutorial Part 4. After watching this video series, you will be able to achieve results similar to one seen in these photos. To create authentic-looking mud, we will need textured pigments. In this case VMS Spot-On Pigment number 4, textured type. Dispense some pigments. Now we will need to add some VMS Alkyd binders, matte type. Introduce some binders. Mix the two components like so, to create sticky weathering paste. This step is easy, simply plaster the road wheels with the paste. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. Scrape away 60 to 70% of the paste, leaving naturally looking mud deposits. Use VMS Universal Weathering Carrier to clean up sections of the wheels that are void of the paste. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. High magnification. Every road wheel is unique and looks realistic with minimal effort on your part. No finesse is required to achieve this result. Sprockets will receive the same treatment. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. Scrape away 60 to 70% of the paste, leaving naturally looking mud deposits. Use VMS Universal Weathering Carrier to clean up sections of the wheels that are void of the paste. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. Final result. This naturally looking mud deposit was effortlessly created by removing excess paste rather than playing with capillary action technique. Using VMS Pigment number 9 and Alkyd Binders Wet Effects, we create some damp effects on the wheels. If you need to know more about creating wet effects, please refer to Alkyd Binder Tutorial Part 3. This is a metal track. We have prepared it earlier, using VMS Black Track Pro. As was the case with the road wheels, we simply plaster the tracks with the paste we mixed. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. Using a simple toothbrush, scrape away the excess paste. This is exactly how it happens on a real vehicle. Dry mud flakes away when the vehicle rolls. Use a toothpick to remove smaller chunks. It's up to you how much mud will be left on the track links. We are done here. Pigment will harden up in 24 hours. Next up, we will be using VMS pigment number 3, Brown Earth, and Alkyd Binders Matte Effects. This pigment is pure, that is, it has no texture added. Mix pigment with the binders to produce weathering liquid. Apply the pigment mix all over the inner side of tracks. Apply heat to get rid of the solvent. Using a dry cotton bud, remove as much pigment as you deem necessary. No solvent is required, that's the beauty of Alkyd binder. Pigments will become permanent after 24 hours. Tracks look neat and bear just the right amount of pigment. Let's put the tracks on the vehicle. That's that. This concludes the Alkyd Binders tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.